Yo, is this shit even shared? Oh my gosh, bro. Edit. This shit not even. Let's see. Yo, yo. Whoa, I can't see nothing in here. I probably gotta reset my laptop, but it's streaming. Okay. All right, as long as it's streaming, I just can't see what I could see on this screen. I can see the chat. I can see it on my phone. I just can't see me. That's not. Oh, that ain't too bad. Okay. So the chat, I gotta get it something like that. Okay. Yo, all right. Yo. Oh shit. All right. I just can't see myself, but I know it's streaming me. Yo, what's good? What's good? Man, Spy took off without me yesterday, man. Like I knew it was. Like I said, I knew it was gonna hit 523, but man, I'm trying to do a little week 2 week video of me trading options, but shit, I ain't really getting nothing. But right now, as you can see, is a gap. Let's see what this want to do. If it want to go up or want to fill the gap. Right now, we're gonna start looking at our pairs. We looked at news. News happened at 8:30. Nothing major supposed to happen after that. As you see, news pushed it up. Like I said, monthly wick, which it hit my monthly area. So after it hit my monthly area, I'm at a point where if it hit the monthly area, I should restart it. I am going to restart it because I'm going to just start trading at 10. Hit my monthly area, shit. We looking at, we got to look at the market in a whole different way now. Because they already hit my TP, my main goal TP, monthly TP. So we're going to log into our accounts. Shit, we're going to get it cracking. Let me log into this FTMO. Log into this FTMO, and then we also gonna do Robinhood. We're gonna go on our Robinhood right now. Only pair I could trade is XPY. We will be trying to find new pairs tonight. Yeah, the sale wouldn't be too bad right now, but it's like sale wouldn't be too bad just to fill out what it gapped out. That's why I've been I seen another advantage. They like option trading, you could fill in a lot of gaps. They usually fill in a lot of gaps most of the times. But for SPY, I'm not too sure because news did affect it, so I'm not too sure. But it does fill in gaps majority of the times, as I've seen. Like, bro, I just went back. Like, I was just looking at it. Gaps always fill. Like, even like this is a big gap right here. It's always gonna come back and fill it big. Like even if it don't fill it, sometimes the market was in that area already. If it doesn't fill, but if it like break new highs, you see how it broke new highs. Got to fill this gap. So you seen it like this triple, sold, stuff like that. I noticed major gaps in the market, but sell wouldn't be too bad right now. Where is it at right now? Yeah, sell wouldn't be too bad. That's a lot of points right there. Uh, do you, my boy? If you sold shit, I would have I'd have got the selling right now. All right, let's log into our accounts. We gonna mark up the charts. We gonna mark up the charts and shit. We gonna be good. All right, we logged into our FTMO. So what I like to do before anything, even if I get new people in here, shit, I'm gonna do everything from scratch. So basically, we deleting all this shit. We gonna delete all of it, and we gonna mark it up how we mark it up. We gonna do top down. So what I usually do, monthly red. I just been like month. So this is the monthly wick zone buy. But it kind of already hit its monthly area. I could see, to be honest, it going up a little more, like up a little more than what it's supposed to, then probably coming back down like a little wickage. So in a weekly, like I said, I kind of still want the week. I don't know when the market will come, but it will come back down to here eventually. Got some space it wants to fill. I don't know when it's gonna come down there. I don't know what time it's gonna come, but it will come down there eventually. So we'll mark this weekly. We'll make this the weekly wick zone sell. So weekly wick zone sell. Now we look at our daily candles. What our daily candles is telling me. So the daily candles. Gonna zoom in. Like I said, it can push up here, all the way up, and then wick out, or it can do a little consolidating. So as you can see, price is going up. You want to stay in the upwards momentum. It can feel it feel like I said, it didn't want to break here. So what it did, it filled the gap. So yesterday I was in complete buy. That's why I bought yesterday. As you can see, let's go to I think I bought NAS. NAS and US30 correlate. So I seen these two. It didn't want to break to the downside off this. I seen a wick. It came back up here, and then it filled out this wick. Like I said, wicks always fill out. Can fill out this monthly wick, but like I said, this is our monthly spot right here. So we're gonna be cautious. So daily, I'm not really seeing nothing unless we're gonna see if it want to stay above here. 4 hour. What the 4 hour is telling me. Boom, boom, boom. Broke out new zone. As you can see, a strong push with, let's see if it stay above, and then we could catch some moves up here or even farther. 1 hour is telling me it took off here. 1 hour, 15 minutes telling me it can, like I said, fill out. It did fit. Look, wick. Usually wicks always fill out. Shout out to my boy, you in the stream. Today would have been good buys today too. It's 39810 stay below. It's going to sell. Let me see. 39. Let's stay below 39801. Yeah, like I said, yeah, me and you got the same objective. Like I said, if it don't go past, if it don't like, this is what I think it's gonna do. You said, yeah. You said if it don't break, I think it's gonna wick up higher and maybe come back down, or it's just gonna break. If it don't keep going up, Like, I think it's got to keep going up, basically, but it can't wick and come back down, basically. So, really, I am still in buys. Wicks always fill out. Like I said, yeah, I'm always in buys. I feel like it could come. What number you got? 39801. Let me see. 39801. 39801. Let's look at the hour. That's more. So 39801. Yeah, the same spot. Yeah, me and you is because mine's on right here. So yeah, if it gotta keep going. I think it gotta keep going. Yeah, above this gonna buy. Me and you got kind of like the same area, but it's the monthly. I could just look. You move it up a tit, it's gonna be the same number you said. Like, you just move this shit up a tit. Same, basically same number. But that's the area we really want to look at. Like I said, that's why I'm shout out to you, man, for saying you gotta look at the long time frame, because even so, I could have got in somewhere around here and just held on to my trading, and that would have been crazy profits. Even SPY, doing the SPY option trading. The SPY option trading is kind of cool because I could hold on to that for like 5-7 days. Like say I when I started option trading, I started looking at it like 5 days ago. 5 days ago. Let's say we like right here. Look how much you would have been up. Well, let's go to SPY. Like SPY, I started looking at it like right here. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. So right here, around right here, we'd have been on. Like I said, I always had SPY going up to here. I had one spot. I only entered one spot, and I had it hitting here. It hit here today, and really, I wanted to break beyond that, but we don't know. Like I said, thing I like about the options or seeing stocks that open up at 9:30, I always see gaps fill out. So this gap will fill, basically. Like, look, bro, see this big gap once it opened, it filled out. Gap filled out. Like I said, usually gaps always fill. Gap. Like I said, big ass gap fill. Big ass gap fill. Big ass gap. It didn't fill. But most of the majority of the time it's gonna fill. The market already hit this area and a consistent pace, so it don't gotta fill all the time. But once it has new high, I noticed, like, if say this breaks and it has a big ass gap and it's new highs, this new area the market didn't hit or didn't see in a very long time, the gaps usually always fill out. I noticed that. Yeah, I made 150% off the XPY shit. I tried to get out early as hell. As soon as it opened, it was 9:30. You know, it opened at 9:30. Shit just dropped. I said, how the fuck you exit? That's why I hit you. I'm like, man, I'm trying to exit. All right, so SPY, let the gap fill out before I even see anything. But I noticed I gotta stay on this till like 1 to 2 o'clock, man, because I missed out my opportunity yesterday. Because look, SPY, let's see, yesterday. Was it right here? Tuesday, yeah. So Tuesday, I missed out because I wanted to enter my buys like around here. I wanted to enter like right here, never hit here. I had the alert here, never hit me my alert, and then it just zoomed off. Because I would have held to 523, and then the market would have opened. I would have just exited basically because it broke my highs, and I'd have been up at least, like, I don't know the percentage yet. Once I get the percentage, I'll let y'all know. But it seems like I would have been, if I entered here, shit, like 300. I'm not too sure, so you can't go crazy. Yeah, it's a good 100 though. Yeah, man, that's the only That's the only thing I like about shit. The Forex shit. Sometimes what I noticed too is Forex. You could get a little edge on Forex by looking at these markets and then going back to SPY because it opened up at 9:30. Because, like, if this move up, guaranteed this is gonna move up. They're really the same pairs. Basically, US30, NAS, XPX. XPX 500. It's the same thing as SPY. So we just really just wait. I like this. An hour. I don't know what this is gonna do, but what it's telling me, this shit is gonna come. The monthly wick. We got a 4. I think this is gonna fill out. I don't know what price is gonna go, but 1 hour wick long buy. As long as price respect and I see upwards momentum, you can buy the here really to here monthly because news is pushing it basically. But right now, I think it's retracing right now. Like I said, I wanted to retrace, to be honest. I'll feel more safer if this retrace and then I start buying. I feel way more safer. But we never know. It could keep going. But if it does keep going, like if it doesn't fill out this, eventually I would sell. Like say if it doesn't fill out this gap, like I said, gaps always fill. So if it come up to like right here, I would sell. Like if it come up high, it's held too. When the market is too damn high, I'll probably sell and let this shit come back to at least 523. I'll put in like a week put basically, and I just hold on to it. To be honest, that's what I noticed. Your spine is no, it's exactly the same pair, man. That shit easy. So our coin. Look, Coinbase. Look, I told you Coinbase. I've been looking at 3 pairs. I've been looking at Coinbase, but I don't have enough money to trade Coinbase. Shit, we were supposed to go live. We were supposed to do a video. Oh shit, we were supposed to do a call yesterday. I wanted to ask you a couple of questions, bro. I really want to ask you. If you got time today, we could do a call, bro. I need to ask you a couple of questions. Cause look, Coinbase. I knew Coinbase was gonna go up eventually. So boom, I would have entered here. I was trying to enter Coinbase, but like I said, I didn't have enough money. Like options, I needed like 180. I needed like $180 and 180 for this option, and I just wanted it to come. Shit, I would have been crazy amount of money, but and then AMP. Look, I said what I tell y'all. I said gaps fill. You even said this yesterday. Look at this, gaps fill. It's had to fill. I don't know. You told me I wanted to sell AMC yesterday. Shit, you would have sold shit, but I would try to buy like a right here, to be honest. And then I seen some people hold AMC. Sometimes I don't know. I'd be like, why the fuck would I hold AM? Like if I enter AMC like right here, and then I seen this big ass gap, I would have just took my take profit. To be honest, that's a big ass gap. Big gap. Stop calling me. Hold on. Wow, I'm about to put my phone on do not disturb. All right. Big gap. You see how I filled up this whole gap? This shit is easy. Yeah, bet we gotta do because I gotta ask a couple of questions about this option shit. Because I wanted to enter options, but it just never worked. This is a small gap, but I'm not. Can it come down to here? Shit, maybe, but you don't want to be too greedy. Like I said, it fills out this gap. So whatever it do now is whatever it do. So I would try to get in somewhere right here. I'll probably get in somewhere right here. Let's see the 4 hour. Let's see the daily. Let's see the weekly. Hell yeah. So I'll try to low key. I'll try to get in. I'll hold to like shit. I'll probably hold. Fuck. Cause this is empty areas. The market gotta shit. You can really hold like if you really want to trade AMC and it's very low. What the fuck can you get lower than 3? So I will feel very safe. I feel shit. Even if I had to throw my whole money in this shit, I probably would. Because look, it's at 3. Where the fuck? Unless AMC is going bankrupt, shit. I still see AMC's. Niggas don't go to the movies no more. But unless that shit going bankrupt, it at least has to come up to here. Yeah. Look at the mark. Oh my gosh, yeah. I trade, like, if the AMC hits here today, I am willing to get in. How you feel about AMC, bro? Yeah, like if I see, yeah, like I'm a like I would. You said take your money and did. Yeah, once I seen this big gap, boom, because AMC is not like some movie theaters. Movies is fucking closing nowadays. I seen this big ass gap. I said, "Oh my god, this gotta fill." You was talking about the sales yesterday. I said, "Shit, you can sell." Shit, I would. Fuck, I just didn't have enough money to sell. This the gap. We want to see a gap. Like I said, you can still sell this. What I sell now? I'm not the most confident in selling, but I am more confident in buying this because I still think AMC, even if I lose off AMC, it has to go bankrupt to go that damn low, or and it has to fill out market gaps. Like, even if it wants at least come up to 30, if it come up to 30, that's crazy gains. That's what I think. It's gonna fill out its wig, which it came up to here, filling out the wig. Now I think it got to fill out open areas where the market never touched. It has to fill out areas the market never touched. Market never came back up here. Even if it wants to drop, the market just don't drop. It has to come back to areas it never. It has to come back to the same area at least twice and then come back down. So I think shit, you can. Like, if I was holding, I hold up to this guy. To be honest, somewhere around this guy. That's an 8. I hold on to this shit for a very long time, but I don't know AMC like that. Market structure, I hold on to it. If it's like, hey, we're going bankrupt, I don't see no opposition for this. Yeah, I wouldn't hold on to this, but I at least will hold on to this long term here and see what it does. Spy. We're gonna wait for the gap. Coinbase, like I said, let the gap fill out. Like I said, if I entered Coinbase here yesterday, I would have entered here yesterday. I would have been I don't know how much percent, but 100 contracts. I don't know how much percent. I know the math for the Forex because I've been doing that shit for such a long time. I know how much pips I gotta lose, how much lot size I gotta link. I don't know the percentage of it. It's only day 2. Give me a break. But this shit gotta fill. So I would have entered here. Look at the TP. I would have just hold on till tomorrow. And you'd have got to look at that. That would have been crazy gains. I would have just soon as the market open, I'm exiting. Look at this big ass gap. You gotta exit, but you want the gap to fill. But like I said, we good. Now let's go back to Nas. Nas is doing. We probably missed our boss, to be honest. Did I mark this shit up? I marked it. So I did US30. So I did US30. I probably would have had answers somewhere around here. Like this gold. Probably not. I want price to come. Really, I want price to break here. Because this is empty area. But like I said, what we got 4 hour. We come back up the hill. Just be patient. If it come back up to there, that means we just missed our buy. But if it comes back down and it doesn't break this area, if it doesn't break this area, I could see it going back to the 1 hour wick, maybe even the monthly wick, and I probably could pass my challenge. So that's what we see on US30. Let's go to Nas. Nas, we didn't even fill it out. We were so busy talking. So, all right, the daily. Like I said, it's breaking new highs as of today. So this is, I don't really like putting it too damn high, but it is breaking new highs. So the daily is showing me, let's X this out. We don't want that no more. Cut this off. All right, so the 4 hour. So this is monthly, daily. I don't really see nothing in the daily. And I see it just going up. 4 hour. As you see, it's a doji. If it closed doji in the next 2 hours, we could look at something coming back to at least price to here. If it does close doji, we're gonna price blue. We're gonna make this blue because our gold, go to hour. This might just fill the month. This might just fill up. Price might just fill to here, maybe even a little higher. But 4 hour, you can edit this and even say you can ever put. You can edit this and even say 1 hour. That's an extra confirmation. 1 hour wick. Okay. 1 hour wick. It took off here. 15 minute. As you can see, 15 minute. If it comes to here, it will come to here basically. So really, I would want it to come here first. So if I did want to sell, which do you really want to sell? If I seen an opportunity, I would sell, but it has to feel. It has to come here first before I even sell. To be honest, it has to break higher highs. But me, if it break higher highs, if it breaks here, I feel like it's either gonna push hard or it's gonna wick back down to here and then push hard. Either or. It depends on what the market give me. 4 hour. Like I said, if this wick is very strong. Like I said, wicks always fill, wicks always fill, wicks always fill. Boom, boom, boom. And 10 hour. You can see it, let it come to here, or it's gonna come down, back down to here, either or. But I would look for price to come up to here first, because it's such a in the bull trend. Yeah, it's such a bull trend. I would want it to come back down to here, or at least let like let this fill if I want to sell. So that's all I see as of right now. Like I said, this is kind of not valid. We want price to keep going down because open area. This is open area for me. Basically, like a free fall drop. Basically, this would be a cool sell to be honest. But like I said, our main goal is to buy, or like I said, if price get too high and I want to be a risk taker, you can do some shit like if it break like the monthly, I would try to if I was a swing trader, I'd do some shit like this. Like it's gonna come up to I'll just do some shit like this. It's just gonna take a long time, but shit. That shit probably take like a month or two, but it's like I said, price has to touch it eventually. I don't know when. But unless the market just want to fly the fuck up, which shit, that's kind of unrealistic. I can't tell, but majority of the times, as you look back, price has to come back to here. All right, let's see. You can do and take your money. Yeah, I'm gonna miss the pause. I'm gonna just chill. Damn, I can't see. Yeah, I wanna. Yeah, like yeah, you said sales. Like I'm not gonna be. I'm gonna be blunt with shit. I could see. Like I said, what did I say sell on? Nas? Like I would sell Nas. Like if it came up to here, I sell Nas. I sell Nas. At least to like right here. Like because it's gonna come down there somewhere here. And if it comes here, it's going to come here. Yeah, I sell Nas. But let this fill like if this fill out and I can see sales, I'll sell it to here. Give me at least because I'm at 98K. I'll try to push it to 4K and then I'll be straight. Yeah, election year. That's why like I'm too hesitant on what I'll say election year. Yeah, when election year come, you is right. Like I said, what I say? Hold on to here? No. Was it 30? Yeah, like this. I don't like I said, I don't know when it'll hit here, but shit, like if it came high as hell, eventually like probably. I had a dream it was gonna go to 44K, so shit, it might go to 44K because my dream told me. But if it go to 44K, then come back down, shit, that's a lot of pips. Cause look, like what I said, I'm trying to see a wick. Even though it took a long time, it usually come near. I can't really see one right now. But that's just news half the time for these. All right. So right now, real shit, I can't. Really, I can't find nothing. See a sell on this. I probably would have sold. I probably would have sold somewhere. Let's make this go, cause now we in a. Let's make this go. Oh, we just wait. To be honest, it ain't really nothing we could do. And old me, I was trying to be a super scalper. I wasn't looking at the high time frames. But now, if you look at the high time frame, even so, you could get a better TP, and you could really understand where the market structure is going. So, like, if I entered off the 5 minute, would I have been profitable, bro? Even on a scalping, probably. Because I would have just said some shit like, when I'm scalping, I just try to get in real quick. I probably would have did some shit like this. Boom, somewhere around here. I probably would have entered a fucking a small ass 2 to 1. See something like boom, 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 boom. Probably would have entered right here. Let's see. No, I probably would have lost because this is gonna sell. And that stop loss is too damn tight. Yeah, I probably would have entered somewhere around here. Boom, boom. Yeah, I could see a sell. But I can, like I said, I want to see a buy to come back up to here. Maybe tomorrow it will. But and gold. Shit, we didn't even do gold. Since we ain't got nothing to do, we rather well do gold too. Yeah, election year. Fuck. Election. I can see sales. Like I said, if you sell shit, I wouldn't be mad. Gap fill. That's one thing I noticed about stocks. Like if this shit go up for 2 days, I'ma just hold. I'ma just find. I will find a put. Like I said, I've been looking at the market for like. I think I was just studying this shit like the whole the other night, like the what was it Monday? Monday, I was just looking at the shit. I just seen gap fill, gap fill, gap fill, gap fill. Especially on a if it sells and then they got to come back. Like so, say if it's going down and it has a gap, like let's just see. Like where is the sell gap? Like this is a buy gap. I want to see a sell gap. Like a sell gap. A sell gap on an uptrend is very fucking powerful, bro. Very powerful. Look, sell gap. It comes up. It has to feel because it's an uptrend too. Like this is just common. Now this is telling you give me money. I've been seeing this. I've been looking at it. That's one thing I could see an advantage over stocks and option trading over Forex. Because if you have a gap in the trend that's already up, come on, dog. It's telling me it would have opened up here. Shit, really, it's not breaking. Like it's not really breaking lows. Shit, you could go. You could have entered here just to be on the safe side, get one candle, and boom. Shit, I'd have kept my shit tight, low key. Boom, drop, and then boom. The gaps always fill though. Drop, fill. It's like I said, we're on the uptrend, and I seen some shit like this. It took how much days it took? It ain't take that much day. It took like one day. So one day, look, boom. You seen this? You know you're on a consistent uptrend. It just have to put. It's just a pullback. That's all it is. Could enter right here. Your take profit would have been somewhere right here. Market would have opened up right here, and you would have been shit. You'd have been in that green, baby. And that's what I noticed. So, can this gap get filled today? Probably. To me, I don't think so. But eventually, I think it will get filled. Cause I don't think it's gonna get filled today because it broke a high. Usually, when it breaks a high, like the first day, it kind of wants to go up. They just want to keep going up. So I don't think it's gonna break. I don't think it's gonna fill. But if it do fill, shit, I'm just wrong. But I don't really feel safe buying. I want this to fill, to be honest. But can buy. Like if I was buying, I'll buy very short term. Coinbase, I want this to fill. I should have entered this yesterday, but I didn't have enough money for these contracts. Maybe I gotta go a different broker. I'm using Robinhood right now, but I'm just started trading options. So this gap has to fill. Well, this is really the whole gap. I wanted to enter here because I knew price was gonna go up. Guaranteed price was gonna go up on Coinbase. We're not saying like price was gonna go up. I'm not saying it's gonna go up, but we had an area of prices going to go up before I at least come down. So it can probably zip this out and go back down, but I at least knew price was going to go up right there. AMC, like I said, AMC. What did I tell y'all? I told you to sell yesterday. I said shit. All right, it's all the same. Yeah, it's all the same to be honest, real shit. Uh, like I said, AMC. I seen I seen some. I don't know. Once I started chatting, I seen hella people talking about AMC. Shit, I see. Once I seen AMC yesterday, I would have said, bro, get the fuck out. Cause look what happened. You went from literally even I don't no dumbass would have probably entered here. So you probably went from three. Say it broke. Regular nigga probably like me. Like if I seen all these bulls, I'm not entering this shit. I'm not entering. So I would probably see something like right here for maybe if I entered like right here. Let's say you entered 4. You went from 4 to 12 on options. This now investing, you're doubled your money. Options, you probably I gotta get the percentage of options. You probably shit. If it's 100 contract, you did option. I don't know the percentage like that, but I know it's more than 1,000%. You did 1,000% your money in fucking 2 days. Really a day, cause what? You entered Monday. This happened Tuesday. You did 1,000% your money on options in fucking one day. So you 10 extra money in one day. You can't be that greedy and say it's still going to fly. Even if you still think it's going to fly, I would have took half at least. Yeah, I would have took half. You can't go from 10% one. Maybe you thought it was gonna go up, but I know there's gaps. Maybe it could have flew up. Could have flew up even higher. Like I said, I think shit. I think it's gonna go to here. At least for anything. Maybe I'm overhyping it. I still don't get why AMC. Like I said, what AMC just hit a spot I'm interested in. Like I said, would I buy AMC? Sure, I actually would. But it's too, it's too bullish right now. I'm at bearish, so I will buy AMC. You talking about I'm taking a contract no matter the broker. Shit. Yeah, because when I first did Robinhood, I was just investing money. Like when I had just had like 2,000 up there, and investing is different from fucking options trading. That shit's slow money, but it's money. It's like a savings account, but you invested in companies. Like I just put money in. What was I put? I made money on Tesla. That's when Tesla had that big jump. I made money on Tesla. But I'm like, if I did options, I would have made way more. And Tesla doubled when I made money off this shit. I made money with Tesla. I had like 2,000, 3,000. And then I just took my money on Robinhood. Yeah, I took my money on Robinhood. Oh, now I know why I took my money on Robinhood, nigga. When the jobs, I think it's something was up with my job. And then I won't working for like 2 months. And then I was like, fuck, I'm going to just take this money out just in case. I pay bills and shit. This was like 2-3 years ago. Yeah, it was pandemic time. After that, I was like 5-12. So you'd have gained like 400, 600%. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Oh shit, they locked me out of my FTMO. Damn. Okay, I'm locked back in 97K. Okay, so nah, like I said. If it sells, it will come below here. I do want to see it was just nowhere to buy. Like, where you gonna buy it? Shit, you could have bought. That ain't me though. Like, you could have bought. Could have bought right here. Could have bought right here. Boom, boom. I wouldn't have bought, but shit, that would have been a good buy entry. Hell yeah, this would have been a good buy entry. But I don't think I really want to see it. So 30, but then SPY. Like I said, SPY, I might have to be a little patient on. So we went live today, but I don't really see nothing we can really answer. I'll look at some AMC contracts right now because I am at a point of emphasis where I probably would buy. Yeah, I probably even buy here. Like if I bought here, I'll buy another one, right? Like even though this is my stop low, there's another gap. It ain't the best gap, but price been consolidating here for so long. I would probably ignore that gap. Like I said, price broke. Like what I said. Look how much time price went back and forth around here. So even if it's a gap, you can't ignore it because price already was playing around in this area. It's probably tired of this area. It's not really all. This is an open gap because price hasn't been here in a minute. It broke like this is an open gap because price is playing around here. Like even if it never came back up to this gap, price playing around here. Open gap because it's a little broke structure. It broke structure. It's going to come back up to here. That's the price. So it comes back up to here, basically. It took a very long time because this happened in March, which we knew if you want to, so say, so this happened in March. It's May. So say, realistically, I hate when people say this. Realistically, I would have entered here. To be honest, me, like, I don't know. People like, I'm not catching this bottom. If it was down here, I probably wouldn't even want to enter. I probably would have entered right here, and I would have just held that bit. You gotta, you probably would have had to hold this for like 2 months. So this is April, but then we in January, February, March, April, May. So it would have took a month. So boom, I would have entered. Probably would have been up profit, break even, break even, break even, break even. The day it happened, boom. You'd have been like, oh, I got my money. You'd have held on to here. Mainly, probably would have took out because really doubled your shit. You'd have really took out probably right here for the day. And then if you held on there, low key, a nigga like me would have took out like right here, honestly. But AMC, I'll buy. I'll buy. Let's look at some contracts. Man, I can't straight pull past it. Miles and 30. Break highs, I'm done. Depending on what your answer. Ain't no answer, bro. Shit, what you mean for like I said, it just the thing about Nas and 30, I got like I said, look at my areas. I got it in here. It was nowhere to enter. Shit. It's really nowhere to enter. Where the fuck am I enter? And if I do enter, it would be very quick. Like it would be some quick shit. Like it'd be some 1 minute shit. So some quick 1 minute. I don't know. It'd be very quick. Like I said, but yeah, I think it has to keep going. Let me delete this. Nas, I at least wanted it to come. This was a good spot it came to. Like I said, I could have bought probably around right here. See the hour. What was it? 30. Just fill the gap. Just gotta fill. But if this fills, shit, it just like I said, I knew price was at least going here. I just didn't know where to enter. No, it's price. Like I said, it wicked, came down, and look where it hit. Our profit. I said price going up to here. Spy. I said spy. Cool. This would have been a cool buy. But I be feeling like this is so damn little. This would have been cool. But this gap is scaring me. Gap is scaring me. This should have been a cool buy, but even this. Shit, I would have bought right here. Because I knew this shit. It's like the market is gonna fill this out. It's just so damn small. I be knowing like certain moves you kind of know, like, okay, I at least know the market is gonna go from here to here before anything. I knew that. Like if I see this and then that right here, I knew at least to here it's going to fill to here. And people would be like, and that's when I noticed about the month. That's why I like the month. So here to here, I knew at least it was gonna go here. It said that's a little points on the 5 minutes. For the month, that's not a little. Like damn, we breaking new highs. Damn. Uh Like the month. Like, look, is that new highs? It made this wick. So say it made this wick and it dropped down to here. Even if it came back up here, it at least got to come right here. At least. So candle by candle, so it won't look sloppy. If it stopped pushing, it's already high. Well, it dropped here. And if it filled up 50%, it's gonna fill up 100% off the month. That's another one. So say this month was down. Like I said, I just been trying to study these shits. Month at least went up 50, it's going to go 100. Especially on the up, it's an uptrend. Like I said, got this wick right here, filled it out. Shout out to the wig master. Yeah, it ain't no entering. It ain't no entering, man. It ain't no entering. Shit, it ain't really much we can do right now, in all honesty. Really, I can see price coming back up to here. Coinbase is going to be solidified. I would probably invest in Coinbase. Wish I bought Coinbase. Hello. If I seen this drop, sometimes people got to be realistic. If I seen the drop, I probably wouldn't even enter those. I'm still waiting on those to drop a little more. Those I want to enter about $5,000, 500,000. Salon, got faith in this. Salon is really like long, really ranging right now. But I got it going back up to here. Crazy how it was down here last year. Then Bitcoin. This was from a while ago. Bitcoin. I can see it breaking new highs. SPY. We had new highs. AMC. Shit, I was supposed to enter at 4. Let's see. Low key, I would want the week to be over before I even, because this would give me a solidified. Hey, this is really a wick. This is not really a wick. It's because it can fill up right now. This is not a real wick because the week is not over. This is a real wick because the week is over. This is a real wick because the week over. Real wick. I say I give this. Fuck. I say 2 weeks at least to come back up there. Maybe even longer. Maybe a month. Just to be on the safe side. Let this shit go back down. Like I said, I'm more of a probability dude. If it's in the green already, I'm not entering. I should have entered right here. But I was so busy. Let's just see what contracts they offering. So today is the 15th. Let's see, May 31st. If we want to put a call to, let's see. We can even say Let's say a call to 9. A call to 9. It'll be $82. Like I said, I will put a call to like right here, basically. So this would be me. Just a nice little call spot for anything. But it already kind of took off without me. And now I keep this till prior to 31st. I will hold on to it. One thing I like about options is it's kind of cheating because even if you know the long term of the market and you're in the red, the most I could lose is saying is $81. So even if I'm below, even if it's at this is what I fucking love. I don't know how real this is. Like I said, I gotta keep asking questions and watching videos, but I like to I'd rather my man's explain it to me. I'd rather say if I'm down 100%, you're saying the most I could lose is 80. Say this is 100. I don't know. Say this is 100. I lost $81. So if I come to right here, I still lost $81, right? But if I keep going, this is why this shit is cheating. Cause look, I say I lose 100% here, but if it comes to here, I still lose 100%. Forex don't do that. Forex, say you lose 10K here, you're going to lose 20K here if you have the money. Or if you don't have the money, it will take you the fuck out. This is key, bro. This is key, bro. This is why this options is kind of, it's certain things you in Forex that's better than option, and certain things in options better than Forex. Two things I notice in options is better is gaps and percentage. If I lose to 100% here, how the fuck I'm going to lose more here? That's what I'm trying to say. So say even if I lose here, it came down to here, but I still believe it's going to go up in a matter of time. And it comes up to here, shit, I was break even. Well, I gotta know about like, it was something they called I was looking at videos. Like I said, I don't want to preach shit I don't really know. Like I said, this is my I'm gonna make a little quick video how I traded first options. If you want to talk Forex and like pips, calculations, and pairs and things I can do, yeah, I know about that shit. I don't really know too much about it because I still might be wrong because it might be 100%, but they might find some way. I don't know how to take more money. What if you only had $80? Do they? Unless if they manually put you out the trade, okay, I get it. But if they don't, that's kind of a cheat code. Cause say, okay, that's like because in Forex, my stop loss get hit sometimes and just go straight back up. You telling me my stop loss can get hit unless you exit manually and you be like, hey, and you really don't know the direction of the market, you can exit. But stop loss is always good to have. But what I'm saying is, it hits here, it comes here. So SPY probably would be a good pair because say we're trading SPY and SPY, like I said, it goes up every year. So say you just want to catch a down move. Check this out. You catch a down move here. Let's say you buy here. Let's be realistic. Say you buy here. But you know price will come back to here. Look what price went down. Say you lost your 100% right here. Let's just say like right here. You lost your 100% right here. It came down to here. It came back up. Oh my gosh, you almost back at break even. You at break even. You back down at 100. But if you hold on to it, as you know, SPY will come up, and then you make so much money because it's options. This shit is crazy, bro. It's crazy to me. But, okay, let me see what he said. The profit is infinite, but the losses is defined as long as you're not on the margin. Oh, it mainly pulls you out the extra Oh, that's why the shit is cheating. Yeah. As long as your market. Yeah, that's why the shit is cheating. So like say if I enter AMC right now, they're asking for $81 for the 100 contracts. Even if I hold on to AMC for 2 weeks, let's just say a month. I hold on to AMC, it comes here for 2 weeks, and I lost. I'm at margin is at 90% loss, or I don't know what the fuck it is, 90, 100%, but it comes back up. I'm solidified because Forex, I would have just lost $0 and it would have took me the fuck out. This is saying, hey, once you exit, but the day ain't over. You still got 2 weeks. Once it hits here, oh, you're down negative 100 or 90%, but you still got 2 more weeks to go. So even if it come back here, you can go break even, get more. I have to figure out Delta. They was explaining it. I gotta the gamma, the data, and the delta. I gotta understand what these really are. I'm gonna do some research today. Well, you say you're gonna go live, but I'm gonna still do some research and see what they really mean. Because I heard like data, like something like data, you could get money if you hold for a long term. Like you get like a percentage back, or I know like they said something. I'm not too sure on it, but data, you'll lose money for hold on it for day-to-day basis, something like that. But I'm gonna come back to that. Like I said, I would have entered here, but I think it's gonna keep dropping. So if it drops back down or here, let's see. If it drops back down, I would love to buy. Let it come here. Let it come here. This is a guaranteed buy for me. Guaranteed buy. I at least want to come here. I probably hold on to this. I'll probably buy me a 2 week fucking contract and shit. Even if it go up 10%, 100%, I probably take 100, 200%. I probably would have doubled that $80. That would have been 240. So I'd probably make 240 off this trade. Once I could get 200%. Good. If it goes down, shit, I just lose $80. Good. This is a bigger percentage. Like I said, I have this going up right now. Coinbase has it going up. Gap almost filled. Really, Gap almost filled. Gap almost filled. Still going up. It's showing bull momentum. Not showing bearish. Okay. Do I have a sell point for 30? I probably wouldn't sell. We've been bullish for a very long time. In all honesty, this shit might just. Shit, I probably would have bought some. If it consolidated a little right here, I would have bought. So like right here. Maybe even right here. Maybe even right here. But as of right now, we don't see nothing. There ain't nothing to get. There ain't really nothing to trade. AMC, I'm willing to trade AMC if it comes back down. It's at least right here. But other than that, I kind of missed it because I was going to enter right here. Shit, I would have been up. I probably would have been up some crazy percentage because 4.8 times 10, probably 60 already. From here to here, that's why I'm scared to. I probably would have entered, but I'm scared to enter from here. I don't want to. And ain't really nothing we could do. Like I said, I hit my buy point. Nothing I can do right now. US30 is about to hit my buy point again. Hit my main buy point. It's going to hit here. And no, it's hit my buy point, so this is invalid. So I gotta come in here, sales. I really don't have a sell for 30. Unless he wants to fill something over here, I still wouldn't have it selling. I wouldn't enter the sell. Nas, this is my sell point. Gold, we didn't mark up. Spy, we want the gap to fill. So some days in trading, you just gotta look at the market. The Coinbase, we didn't enter. And then AMC, we would enter. So just patience. So it ain't nothing we can do right now. But this is cool though. It ain't nothing we can do. Even if it comes here, which is we almost at a new daily high on NAS100 as a 515, 2024, almost at a new high. If it does break a new high, I can see it pushing on. I remember NAS used to be in the thousands. Well, I'm sure like 11. It used to be 11 when I first started trading. Maybe like 11. Hell yeah. Because with 2020. Oh shit, it was in the thousands. I'm tripping. Yeah. Like around here. Damn. See, I was bored and forgot about it. 2023 was the fucking consolidation year. Was it? No, it was 2022. 2022 was just down year. I remember it was like SPY and NAS always go up every year. 2022 did not go up. And I was like, damn, he lying, but shit. You can't have a perfect year every year. That's what I have to notice. But overall, it goes up at least 10% every year. Like I said, I even talked about the let's go to oil. I remember I made a whole video on US oil. I think I put like a little $200. We gonna see where it's at in the summer. I told you I ain't taking it out till June. If I could find it, which pair I marked up one shit. It was one thing. It was a December where I entered somewhere around here. So, oh shit, we probably almost back at break even. But to be honest, I answer oil again. Like, cause it's the sun. Oil price is always high around this, almost around this time. So, but I answer US. Let me see you. I'll try to type this shit in wrong. US oil. So that's why we looking at stocks. That's why. Oh, I entered like right here. It's almost back at break even, but I wouldn't be tripping. Like I said, long term. Oh, but look what we gained 20% in total. But we never know. It could come back up. Maybe it just pull back. I see it coming back up. So US oil, we entered at 70, and now it's at 77. Like I said, I made a whole video talking about it goes. Look how much percentage it go up from December to June, December to June, December to June. It's going up 68%. So even if it was the options, if it was a way I could trade options to oil, that would have been crazy. 4%, 68%, 58%. I wouldn't have traded COVID year, but shit, you would have sold COVID year. It went down 1 year. Like I said, it's never a perfect year. 20%, 36%. From December to June every year, it's a good percentage. I just didn't 83%, 19%, negative 11, plus 13%, 11%. So this is long term money basically. So if I have like 100K, and then 100K with the 20% is that's 26K. Most people make that in a minimum wage jobs is 26K. I'm probably just putting 100K into a thing without noticing, and I could really just take out 26K. So it's good having it takes money to make money though. But say if it was an options, like I said, well, now I'm learning about options, but I don't know if you could trade all your options. This would have been a crazy game because it would have been plus 100, so it would have been 260 if it's 100 contracts, and therefore that would have been double your money plus 60%. Profit is infinite, but the loan, yeah, it's just less risky. The bet on contracts is more expensive most of the time. So if you buy for 2 weeks out the price, yeah, it is more expensive. I noticed that too. Like 2 weeks, like a 2, 3 weeks, even like a year one is very expensive. That shit is crazy. But I see why though. They gotta make it. It's worth it though. It is kind of worth it. Like if you know like the overall trend of the market, like if you know the overall trend of the market, like it's still worth it. I would buy it. Like if they had this drop, boom, they had a drop because it like a depression year, like COVID. COVID. All right, you know the price went down. Once price went down, if you know in a year's worth, every time we have a depression, it comes back. What year was it? '08. It's not going back to '08. I remember we had a depression '08. I was fucking in probably elementary school. Was I in elementary? Yeah, I probably was in elementary school. Yeah, I was in elementary school, so I don't really know about much about '08, but I know we had some type of crash in '08. We had the crash in '08, and the market went down just by the dip. COVID, I was around. It's when I first started trading. Um, about the dip. Wait a year. Yes, the option is more, but guaranteed, a depression always comes back. So that's why I like. I wish I bought a house in a fucking COVID. I really wish I did. But nah, we even trade shit today, so it ain't nothing to trade. It hit our area. We didn't have nowhere to buy unless you want to buy right here off the break of structure. I usually don't like buying off big breaks of structure though. But maybe I probably would have bought off this. Maybe. Nah, I probably wouldn't. Probably wouldn't. I would have bought off this though. Somewhere around here. Goes on. The Forex SPY. I want the gap to fill. Like I said, like this is something I wouldn't sell right now because I think price is going to skyrocket up still. It still got. I really probably wouldn't even sell this shit. Low key, what I do or SPY, I probably wouldn't trade this shit till next week. Or honestly, to this, either I want to see the shit go up on Friday, and even if it don't fill the gap, okay, I could tell what it want to do. Or I want to see it fill this gap and then try to come back up, or just keep going down. Either or, really keep going down so I can buy. But I wanted to fill this gap, but I don't think it's like I said today. I didn't think it was going to fill the gap today, but eventually it will fill up this gap. Cause why I don't think it will fill the gap? Cause it just broke new highs. Why the fuck would it want to go back down? It doesn't make no sense to even fill the gap right now. It doesn't make no sense. So once it break new highs, it kind of want to push up. Even if it pushed up a little bit and come back down, that's understandable. But once it break new highs that it was having trouble to make, it wants to push up a little bit more. So I didn't think that the gap was gonna get filled today. But even if it does, it just does. I can't tell the market what it can do, but I just don't think it's gonna get filled. This we will hold on to this one for a very long. Probably not too long. If I gain 200% off that, off AMC, off $80, it's kind of a risk. That's the only thing. It's a big risk taking that because it could just go back down. AMC is really a dump truck. They probably just want to. I'm saying I'm gonna. They probably just want to take niggas out. But this would have been a cool sell. Like I said, I'll do some research on AMC if it doesn't hit. Let's see. Like I said, wicks fail, but when it's a wick that's already been in the consolidation market, it doesn't have to fail. This is just a crazy wick. Like I said, if AMC was a good company, it probably can come back to here, but I don't really believe in AMC like that. Wicks fail. Boom. It failed in 2 months. 1 month, 2 month, drop. Wick, come here, fail. Wick, it's a downtrend, to never fail. Sometimes, like I said, you can't have something 100%, but 80% of the times wick does fail. And it's a downtrend, so shit. So more of a downtrend is going to fail. So this is guaranteed. This ain't guaranteed, but this is guaranteed. This wick, you at least know it's going to come. Like I said, it's just shit I noticed with being in the market so long. From here to here. From here to here, you to notice, hey, I could get from here to here. We thought this week, and look, you have to be realistic. You got to go in real time too, because people be like, "How this wick didn't fill?" Oh no, the wick did fill. Both wicks actually filled. This wick filled. We just don't know. This wick filled, and this wick filled. So look, boom, you came here. It came to 50%. Now, like I said, if the wick don't fill 100, at least gonna go 50. So boom, this wick filled, came back up. This wick filled out, and it came back down. A wick usually does fill. And gaps. I'm gonna have to talk more about gaps. I'm gonna look at some observations tonight. But we not getting nothing. But it's cool though. Sometimes just looking at the market is beautiful, man. I would want some type of buy right here. Okay. Yeah, I would want some type of buy right there. I could see a buy. Some type of buy around this area. Some type of buy. Either to here or to here. Let's see, 15 minutes. This way filled it out. Oh, wait. I'm gonna see how that close. That 5-minute close. I wouldn't be too scared to buy that. Cause I keep my stuff a little small. Why? Cause shit, if it goes down here, it's gonna keep going down. But if it goes up, it's going to fly. And I think it's a news day. I think everything is gonna fly. But yeah, it ain't really much. It ain't much else to see. AMC. So, but nah, this was a good. This was a good day, man. Ain't really much to see anymore. Ain't really much to talk about anymore. But shit, that's what I got from this today. It's a good day though. looked at news, CPI news. We got more news. Oh, no, we ain't got no more news. What we got tomorrow? Tomorrow we don't have unemployment. So yeah, that probably moved the market too. Like I said, if the gap fill off unemployment tomorrow, I'll be more satisfied. So unemployment. Yeah, I can see news even wants to go fill out this gap, please do. Fill it out. Boom. I don't know. Fill this gap out and we'll be good. Then I can keep looking for buys. But other than that, I don't really see nothing. Coinbase. Yeah, I don't really see nothing. We can mark up gold. Low key, I'll buy this. Let's see. Let's mark it on. So this is a 25 point. So a 25 point will be 50. It'll be a 40 lot for $1,000. I'll do 35. To be honest, that is 35 lot size. What was that? US30. $35. Well, what lot did I say? It'll be a 40. It'll be a 40 for $1,000 loss. And what was this? What is this? That is a 3-4-1. So it'll be 3,500 for the win. And I did a 40, so it'll probably be 3,200. Yeah, we good. Shit, we good. Other than that, man, I ain't got much to do. Like I said, I would have entered and look, it's just flying. And I missed it. Ah, shit, I missed it. Like I said, because if it breaks down lower, it's going to keep flying. But we're going to see what this price does. Now I'm at a point I won't even enter this shit because if it comes down, I think it's going to come down. It got to just fly up. I didn't into the trade, but like I said, I'm not rushing no trade. If it's not here or in the red, I'm not entering. I won't never enter a trade in the green because I want all my fucking advantage when I enter. I want my whole advantage. I don't want a little advantage. Even I can't enter. I could have entered here and said, hey, well, look how I just changed the earth reward. It changed it from 3. That little move changed this. I could have entered off. Say I entered there. It's a 3.3. Say if I entered here, that's a 2. That dropped the whole RR. I'm not entering there. And look, bada bing, bada boom. Like I said, I know I'm right because price either got to hit here. It has to hit here. I don't have a sell point for US30. But I do have a sell point for NAS. Wow. I could have been shit. I could have been done in and this is the 1 minute chart. I could have been done so quick. Like I said, they hit our first area. It would have been done. We just gonna stay in here a little longer, see what else it could hit. But other than that, gold setting new highs. Yeah, gold broke. Oh shit, gold ain't nowhere near new highs yet. Yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. And man, we out. If AMC wants to keep dropping, I'm willing to buy. When it drops a little lower, I'll probably answer that shit somewhere on my Instagram. But yeah, I appreciate everyone joining. Man, hit me up tonight, man. We're gonna be live streaming. Peace.